Hey y'all, it's time for this week's wreath recipe of the week. And we're gonna get a little crabby. Not really, we're just gonna make a crab nautical wreath. I'm gonna start with something that I don't normally do. I'm gonna add some mesh to this grapevine base first. We got some 10-inch cut around 24, 25 inches, something like that. Rolling it, cruffling it, zip tying it. Next, we're gonna make a nautical bow, and we're gonna add it in there. Next, we're gonna go in with this big succulent bush from Jam Designs and Supplies. I'm gonna cut it up and we're just gonna place it accordingly. This is a pusher. Next, we're gonna go in with this different variants of greenery from Jam Designs and Supplies. Just a little pop of something extra. Now we're gonna pop in this little bit of white flowers. Next, we're gonna sprinkle in some red flowers. These greens don't match, so I'm taking off the leaves. All right, now we're gonna pop in some larger navy flowers. Now we're gonna add some accessories and then we'll be done. This is empty, by the way. All right, y'all, this is what we got for this week's wreath recipe, and it's the 18-inch oval grapevine, and this sign came from Hobby Lobby, and just some greenery and florals from Jam Designs and Supplies, and yeah. I hope that you guys like it, and it inspired you. If you make something, tag me. Bye.